ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 49, ஸ்லோகா 6. நவாக்கநிர்வ்யூಢ நிவாசபேதேஷு அசேஷகோபேஷு சுகாசிதேஷு வனஸ்ரீயம் கோபகிஷோரபாலீ விமிஸ்ருதः பர்யகலோகதாஸ்த்வம். Word by word meaning. Nava Kanirvyudha Nivasa Bhedeshu. In dwelling houses built in the form of a half moon. Ashesha Gopeshu, when all the Gopas. Sukha Siteshu, had settled down comfortably. Tvam, thou. Gopa Kishora Pali Vimishritah. Gopa Kishoranam Palya Samuhena Vimishritah, mingling with the cowherd boys. Vanashriyam, the beauty of the forest. Paryak, all around. Alokathaha, didst see, enjoy. Full meaning. When all the Gopas had settled down comfortably in the dwelling houses built in the form of a half moon, thou, along with the cowherd boys, didst enjoy the beauty of the forest all around. Om Tat Sat.